Everybody up there in that balcony there, right there, you want to give me a cheer? Give us a cheer, come on. Everybody in the back there, on the lower balcony, the lower bit, right, yes, give us a cheer. You guys are pointing at. Everybody up there in the second bit. Everybody over there, just rattle your jewelry. Everybody on the floor! What we're gonna do actually now. This is the best I could dance. God help us when we play just a yes. But anyway, this bit I'd like to take it right down. Johnny Quinn on the drums. Let's take that bass drum out. Let's just take it right down to nothing. Yeah? Right, very quiet. Everyone very quiet. Shut your eyes.